In this video, we're going to review the Orchard Bank credit card. Orchard Bank has been working and lending in the subprime market for decades. They have a one-of-a-kind application process, and we believe this is in large part due to their size and resources. They specialize in credit cards for no credit, bad credit, and poor credit. You are guaranteed approval regardless of your credit history. Orchard Bank offers 3 unsecured credit cards, and you are guaranteed to be approved for their secured credit card. All 4 of the Orchard Bank credit cards will report monthly to all 3 major credit bureaus. Just by paying your monthly bill on time, you can create a trail of positive payment history on your credit file. How to apply for the Orchard Bank credit card. You'll fill out an online application at www.orchardbank.com. You'll need to provide your name, address, phone number, etc. Within 60 seconds of finishing and pressing submit on your application, a decision will be made. Your credit is going to be checked, and based upon that, you'll be offered an unsecured or a secured Visa or MasterCard. These are all major credit cards and will be accepted over the phone, online, to rent a car, and anywhere you see the Visa or MasterCard logo displayed. You'll decide which credit card offer is the right one for you. An unsecured credit card will be counted or given more weight on your credit report than a secured credit card. However, with an unsecured credit card, you will be responsible for some more fees and will have a higher interest rate. Orchard Bank Secured Credit Card. What is this? With a secured credit card, you are going to first have to make a deposit with the bank, and then you will be issued a major credit card. The amount of your deposit will be equal to the amount of your credit limit. For example, if you deposit $300 with the bank, then your credit limit will be $300. This deposit is FDIC insured, and you get to decide the amount. The minimum is $200 and the maximum is $5,000. It is also fully refundable as long as you keep your account in good standing. You can choose the amount between $200 and $5,000 to deposit. You'll be charged a lower interest rate with a secured credit card because the bank is taking less risk. However, a secured credit card won't be weighted as much by the credit bureaus, but your account information will be reported monthly to all 3 major credit bureaus. With responsible use, you can build credit with a secured credit card, and you're guaranteed to be approved for a major Visa or MasterCard. Depending on what your credit score is, you may be offered an unsecured credit card. We have yet to see another bank with a similar application process and can see how this can be very useful. Because Orchard Bank is such a large company, they are able to offer you different types of credit cards depending on your credit score. We'd like that they ultimately leave the final decision up to you as to which Visa or MasterCard you feel is the best fit for your spending habits. Orchard Bank has been a trusted leader in the subprime or bad credit market for decades and have issued credit cards to millions of customers. The bad credit card industry has been turned upside down due to all the financial unrest in our economy. Many offers were taken off the market and some banks even went under. However, Orchard Bank continued to lend and continues to be a leader setting the industry standards. Your Orchard Bank credit card will be covered under a zero liability policy, which will prevent you from being responsible if your card is ever lost or stolen. Additionally, if you choose a secured credit card offer, your initial deposit will be FDIC insured and it is fully refundable. Stop living with the high cost of bad credit and take action to repair your credit score. Currently, Orchard Bank is no longer accepting applications. They were purchased by Capital One Bank, and Capital One has decided to discontinue the Orchard Bank credit card at creditcard.net.